On three. One, two, three. Hello, it's Nick Holt. Here's the catalogue. This Monday, the 10th, is our first auction. And then Tuesday, the 11th. So we're just literally 3 or 4 days away. Now, I just wanted to quickly talk to you about this showcase. We have some fun little bits in it. First of all, lot 693, a little pair of ladies' muff pistols. So they literally just lived in the warm glove in case a certain gentleman got a little bit frisky or somebody tried to rob them or whatever. And here they are. Aren't they lovely? Aren't they lovely? There they are, a little box like that. Open the box up, and there they are. Look at that. Lot 693, as I said. And we just, it's very simple. There is the reloading tool. And the other beautiful thing is, look, there's still a little lead ball there. Look at the size. You can see my nail and see the size of the ball. Isn't that cool? And then one of the little pistols. Here we go. So all you do, you can see the size of it. Just sits in my palm of my hand, and you pull back the trigger. Sorry, the hammer, and the trigger drops out like that. Okay, and then with this, you just put this in the barrel, and you turn it like that, and it loosens it off, and then you put in there, little lead ball. But of course, you first put in the powder, the black powder, and then a little bit of wadding, and then the little lead ball you just saw. And then you screw it back on, and whilst you screw it back on, it tightens it up. Tightens it up, and then you put a little percussion cap on there. And the idea is you pull the trigger, pop. You hope. Didn't always work, but that was the idea. But aren't they sweet? Aren't they sweet? A little ladies' pair of muff pistols. I think we've put around because they're in wonderful condition. And I remember thinking about the £3,000 mark. So around there, but worth every penny, every penny. So that's them. And then we go on to lot 453. Lot 453. Now, this is by F. Rossi of London, Charing Cross. The beauty, I mean, don't forget when these things were built, it was all by hand. So it's a flintlock. The date is around 1820, 1810, around 1810, 1820. And 3 barrels. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. Fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. And the same thing again with the little tool to unscrew the barrels. Oh, look, you can unscrew one. So there we go. And then if you pull the hammer back, of course, the trigger should just drop out. There we go. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? And then you would put a little bit of powder in here, close this down. So that's what we call the frizzen or the steel. And then you pull the trigger, and this would have what we call pyrites, or a bit of a flint in there, and it would hit the steel, make a spark, and ignite the powder in here. So the idea, and now he didn't shoot all 3 at the same time. You had a little look. absolutely sweet. You could you you've got different torch holes in here by turning this here. So an absolute beautiful little thing. Isn't that sweet? And that's, I say, lot 453. 453. I would say on that one, you're probably 453. We're looking at 453. 453. We've looked at that at a couple of thousands, so about £2,000 on this one. The 3-barrel are rare, so that's why it's quite expensive. So it'd be about 2,000. We've then got another 3-barrel one, which is next door, which is this one, and as you can see, the 3 barrels are over and one underneath. A little bit like a German drilling. This is lot 454, and it's got a little tap action again there. And of course, pull the hammer back and down the frizzen goes. So same principle, but generally more common than the over and unders on the other one you saw. This drilling type was more common. So I would have thought the estimate probably going to be a bit lower. So 454 is 454. Well, no, 454 is still 2,000. So yeah, no, they're about the same. But quite a lovely, sweet little thing. I will probably I'll just talk about these. These are your typical traveling pistols for the stagecoach. So really, to protect the lady or the gentleman in his stagecoach from Dick Turpin. So one of the naughty boys who were out there to steal from them. And this pair is lot number 450. 450. Now, the fun thing is, again, of course, the 2-barrel, not 3, 2-barrel over and under, but also you have a bayonet at the bottom. Isn't that sweet? So although you didn't get you may have missed them with both barrels, you could stab them, which is yeah, that little. And then then the other one. There we go. And there's the. We're talking Cowland. The maker's Cowland from Chelmsford. From Chelmsford. I wonder how many boys from Chelmsford knew that they had a gunsmith amongst them around a date of 1810, 1820. So from Chelmsford. Aren't they lovely? And they are, as I say, lot 450. 450. I'll put those back. And then we have lot 607. Lot 607. There you go there. Now this, of course, you'll recognise. Naturally, it's a Colt. Now, it looks in reasonable condition. Yeah, it works. this is all original finish here. You're looking at 607. 607 is 607 is £500 to £700 for this one. Okay, and it's a 36 caliber, .36 caliber percussion revolver. It says in the description that it's a London Colt. Well, I don't think it is a London Colt personally, but it doesn't say that. Interesting. So anyway, that's lot 607. Fun thing, very fun. Right. I will. There's plenty of more to discuss and look at here. I mean, God, dear, look. I mean, look at this, a 4-barrel little Derringer. Off ticket, so no license required, and used, in Reno or Vegas to protect a gambler from being robbed. So quite fun, absolutely fun. Interesting to see how it works. Well, this will go back somehow, and then, but it'll be off ticket. So I think if we look it up, 806. Okay, here we go. It's a 32 rim Remington 4-shot Derringer, circa 1870. Circa 1870. As I say, lot 806. 806. That's Elliott's patent. Yeah, with a fair amount of original finish on it. Lovely. What fun! What fun! No license required, as I say. Okay, well, I'll leave you alone, and I think I've covered a few bits, and here we go. Here we go. Thanks so much. Bye bye.